Peluche! Oh my goodness, Posty. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're so handsome, you freakazoid.
It's like, get the camera on my face.
Goodness, Posty.
Really? He'll never let me take a picture of him. Or he'll never make eye contact with me. Like, ever. Hello, Jay! See? Like, he like glances slightly. And we never have eye contact and it gets all awkward. He's like, I know where I am.
Peluche!
See, weirdly he can like stare at you and Dad. Like he stares at Dad for hours. He's just like, just like, I don't know how he does it without doing anything. That's my mom right there.
Peluche, I was just yawning, it's fine. Oh, really?
Yeah, I forgot about What time is it? It's 5:24. 20 minutes. Like, what are you doing? Don't take me off. I like this. You're warm, Morgan. Stealing all your bocce heat.
He was just like yawning.
He's like, he's like, don't touch my foot. You're so prestigious. And then he gets scared by the slightest things, like I'll tap his back and he'll get so feisty. Oh, Dave, would you like to hold your mom? Is it? That's not anything I give him. That smells nice. He's like, get that off my face. It's like nothing.
Peluche! Peluche! Peluche!
Stop calling me, okay?
Oh yeah, like when I was there he goes again. But yeah, like when I was walking him a few hours ago, like what was it, like 2 something or other, something like that.
He's always telling me it feels weird.
Like there were these kids and this one mom, and they were walking in the direction where I was coming back to the house and stuff, and I heard this mom like saying to them, like one of the kids like one of the kids like
He's about to get all continue your story.
I heard one of the kids like, oh, look at the puppy!
It's not a puppy.
And
he's almost an elder. You're gonna be an elder this year. Apparently to the vet. He's feisty. He wants to jump down. He can't because my stomach's so freaking wobbly. He keeps shaking. He's like, I can't land perfectly like this. Sitting on my bladder now. I gotta pee. It's like a pointer. He's like, he hears a noise. His tail is just, he just rearranges himself, basically. He's like, look at it. He's like, Lizzie, are you okay? I'm coming to save you. He changed his mind. He's like, Lizzie, you need to make up your mind. Are you okay? Do I need to come save you?
Peluche!
Gosh, your arm, the part of my side hurts.
Like maybe he's thinking like, oh, Morgan.
Oh no, get your toe out, my god. Oh, you're yawning again? Scrub your butt. You're a butt man. You like butts. Scrub. Look at him. He does have dad too. I'm like, look at what he's doing. He's pushing at my shirt. He's so casual about it. Oh! He actually just got washed. He's not washed.
Oh yeah, like didn't he like get washed on like Friday or something?
Yeah, and then the day right after on Saturday, he gets completely filthy.
Because he like rolled around in the grass.
Like right after. What's going on? You're just like spiraling out for me. He's like, my butt feels nice.
Now he's sitting down.
Yeah. Sniffing. And my leg he's wobbling on my leg. He's like, you're a balance beam, Morgan.
He looks like he's still loving that.
He's like a hunchback. He's like, get my good side, Morgan. Scrub your booty. You need to move your foot. It's like directly in my nose zone. It's bothering the heck out of me. I can't reach it.
Peluche.
There you go. Because my legs are spread. Oh, that didn't sound right. You're telling my tummy.
Peluche,
Soft.
are you loving that?
It's like, I don't know, should I? Oh.
Like after you say that, he just looks in your direction.
I stopped and then he's like, you're not done.
Peluche! Hello, I'm right here, Peluche.
He looks back at me, he's like, why did you stop? You're not supposed to stop, Morgan. He sniffs when he stops. Oh, frick. I have to get up soon and go wash my hands.
I'm still hungry.
Like, not too harshly, Morgan. I like my butt nicely scrubbed. Sweet man. He's like, what are you doing? I'm not done. He's like, really, Morgan? You were scrubbing my butt cheeks, now you're done my ears. My ears don't need the scrubbing. We're all done. I scrubbed you for like 25 minutes. He's like, no. Stop it. I'll sniff my hand. He's like, you're not done. He's like, touch me, Morgan. You've been doing it. You must continue. Sweet me.
I think he might try and start to roll over and be all like, Morgan, you start to rub my belly.
Listen to eat. He's like, you're not done. Where are you going? Yawns again. He's like, where are you going? I'm going to get food, Peluche.
Peluche, you should go eat.
Bye, sweetie. Bye.
His tongue is kind of sticking out.
He's like, my bad.
Peluche? She's gonna go get some food, and same with me, because I still haven't eaten yet. Peluche? Okay. Well, talk to you later, Peluche.